Encountered an NPG file from desktop wallpaper or theme downloads? This is a download file from Magentic, the desktop personalization service. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Magentic download files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like NPG. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. NPG files are download package files from Magentic, a desktop wallpaper screensaver, and personalization service. They contain animated wallpapers, screensavers, cursors, and themes, packaged for installation through the Magentic client application, enabling personalized desktop experiences with branded and themed content. NPG files use Magentic's proprietary package format, containing image files, animation data, installation, metadata, and Magentic-specific configuration. The format includes content type identifiers, preview thumbnails, and license information for the personalization content distributed through the Magentic platform. The official utility recommended for the NPG file is Magentic by Perion Network Limited. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the NPG file and select Open With. Try Magentic first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If you are still having trouble opening the NPG file, do not worry. This NPG file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, opening with Magentic. Install the Magentic client application from the Magentic website. Double-click the NPG file, which launches Magentic and installs the contained content into your personalization library. The new theme wallpaper or screensaver becomes available for desktop application through the Magentic interface. Next, removing Magentic software. Magentic has been associated with adware behavior in some configurations. If you wish to remove it, use Programs and Features or Settings apps to uninstall Magentic completely. Run a reputable anti-malware scanner like Malwarebytes to clean any remaining components from your system. Finally, finding modern alternatives. For desktop personalization, use modern alternatives like Wallpaper Engine on Steam or built-in Windows themes. These options provide rich animated wallpaper experiences without the privacy concerns associated with older personalization services, like Magentic offering safer and more current personalization options. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.